Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we'll learn how you can change your bio on Threads. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Threads application on your mobile device and simply log in with your account. And after logging in, you will be redirected to its timeline page of your account. Now just tap over on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and you can see the edit profile section right beside share profile button. If you tap on it, you'll be redirected to its bio section. Here you will be able to manage everything that appears on your profile. And after accessing it, the edit profile section, you can see that you have the control over to your profile bio and you can enter anything you want. To add a bio, simply tap on bio section. Either you can write anything you want or you can import your Instagram profile bio into your Threads profile. And after adding one, tap on the checkmark icon at the top right corner and you're done. And that's how you can change your bio on Threads. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.